much will Medicare Part B cost you in 2022? Well, it's a long story and it's not final yet. It won't come out till closer to the end of the year. But let me lay the groundwork so you can prepare for a very large rate increase. So, inflation, as we all know, is very high. And that is why you're getting a large cost of living increase for Social Security. And generally, the way it works is if you get a lot in Social Security, they take it right back out in Part B. So right now, you only have the good news that Social Security is going to be around 5 or 6% increase. And everyone's like, yay, more money in Social Security. The largest increase in Social Security since the 80s. You got to expect that when they finally announce your Part B increase, that it's going to be about the same amount or higher. Okay. And I've had many clients say, I don't know why you talk about this cost of living increase for Social Security. I've been on Social Security for 7 years and I've never gotten a cost of living increase. You do. You get it every year. But like I said, they give it to you with the right hand and they take it away with the left hand out of your Medicare Part B. So it automatically goes in, automatically comes out, and you just don't even know what happened. So inflation is about 5%. If we expect Part B to go up what it went up last year, we would be wrong. Due to COVID last year, one of the COVID relief bills suspended temporarily the increase that would have happened on Medicare Part B. So most people didn't know that happened. They didn't know that was something that was to be celebrated. If that would not have happened, your Medicare Part B would have gone up last year and it would have been about $160. Instead, it's $148.50. That's for the average American. That's the base price. High earners earn more. If you want to know more about that, I have a lot of videos you can check out called IRMA. So it's not $160 because they couldn't raise it. They actually only raised it about $4 last year, $4. So now for 2022, that temporary relief is gone and you have the big increase for this year. So you see where this is going, right? We're expecting about a 13% increase, which would mean the average person in America should be paying $168. Like I said, it's not final for 2022 yet, but you can take this to the bank. It's going to be around this amount. So the average person right now is paying $148.50. They're going to go up to $168. And that's just not good news. There's no way I can sugarcoat this other than to say this is where we're living right now, and you did get a little break last year. So if you have questions about your Medicare Part B, how to enroll, when to enroll, do you need to enroll, call us here at the Medicare Family. We have a whole team that can help you. We're licensed in all 50 states. No matter where you live, we are able to help you. We represent over 150 different insurance companies. And we work for you. So we're not beholden to any insurance company. We're not an employee of any insurance company. We're independent. We work for you to help you. And if you're happy, the insurance companies pay us. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week. Hit the subscribe button if you want to make sure you never miss one of our videos.